In this video, I will show you how you can save a program, like I have here, on that was written on a Commodore 64 on a cassette tape with the dataset. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to need a blank tape that has been forwarded so it's off a leader and actually starting on the tape. You need to stick one of those in the dataset, close that up, and you're going to need a program that you've written. This one, like you can see here, is a converter to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius or Celsius to Fahrenheit, and I wrote it in Commodore Basic off of the manual. There are a couple of programs in there, test programs, and I can show you how it works. The program here works just for the heck of it. I'll type run. The program will run, and now it's going to ask me to convert from Fahrenheit or Celsius. I need to choose one. Let's convert from Fahrenheit. F. Enter. And it's asking me to enter the degrees that are Fahrenheit. So I'm assuming that right here it's about, I'd say 12 degrees Fahrenheit, since nobody in the house dares to turn up the heat. So let's see, 12 degrees Fahrenheit. Did I say like Celsius or something just a minute ago? I thought I said something weird. Anyway, 12 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is 12 degrees Fahrenheit is negative 11.111111 degrees Celsius. Cool. So then it starts over again, and what I can do is press run stop, restore. Sometimes it doesn't work. Just a minute. Okay. You need to hit it with enough force. So that's clear. Now I'm going to type a list. Then that will give me the entire program back again. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to want to save it onto the tape, which I forwarded, as I showed you. So this tape, I'm going to say SAVE shift. So it's like the little, what are those things called? Those quote unquote dealios. Is that apostrophe? No, that's anyway, whatever the heck those things are. And then I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to call this temp period converter, and then close parentheses. That's what it's called. And then press enter. It's going to tell me to press play, record, and play on the tape. So I'll do that. And then there, the screen blanked out. And it's thinking, saving. Takes forever. And then eventually the tape will stop. There we go. So it just stopped, and then it said ready. So that means it's ready. So what I can do is I can stop the process, and then eject it. Now I have a tape, I can throw it at walls and stuff, and then what the cool part is, or what they would have thought cool back in the 80s, is I can turn off my Commodore. Oh my god! I lost the program. I lost the program. No, I didn't. I have it on a tape. So what I'm going to do is, I'm a cool guy. I own a Datasette. I own cassettes. I'm awesome. I'm in the 80s. I'm going to turn this bad boy back on. Wait for it to load. Then I rewind the tape back to the beginning. And then I'm going to type LOAD parentheses. What do I save it as? Temp. Let me just put this down. It's even faster for me to type. Temp dot converter. Close parentheses. Then we're going to press return or enter. It'll ask us to press play on tape. We'll do that. The screen will blank out. Oh, I'm so cool. I'm such a punk. With my nice glasses, my Bill Gates glasses. I'm so cool. Alright, and eventually tape. The tape will stop, and it will say found temp converter, and then it will start back up again. That was just a little memo. It's telling me that it found it. Bada boom, starts back up again. Screen blanks out again. And then, a while later, it'll say ready. Then I can say thank you, stop, then run. And then it messed up. Yay! Normally it wouldn't have done that, which is too bad. Now I'm going to try something else. Maybe I didn't save it correctly. I'm just going to tell it this time to load the first darn thing it sees on the tape. So let's see. NEW. That resets the entire operating system. And then we'll type load. And we're not going to tell it anything. No, nothing in parentheses. Press play on tape. Let's give it another few years to load. And then, maybe I typed it in wrong. It will find this right thing. And if not, that means something went wrong. And, yeah, that's bad. But, let's see. Okay, so it found a temperature converter. And then, the tape will start spinning again. Okay, it's loaded correctly this time, looks like. So let's see. Loading ready. Okay, so let's see. Actually, you know what? List. L-I-S-T. Yay, that time it worked. So I successfully saved data and program on a cassette with the Commodore Datasette and the computer. Yay. Well, I was on my way back up here and I thought somebody would probably want to hear what one of these bad boys sounds like played back on a normal cassette player. And it's quite a lovely little experience when you listen to that music. So, let's see. I need more light in here. I didn't tell anyone to start. Alright. Here's my other goofy Kenwood cassette deck that you can't really see because it's so dark in here. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and eject this tape. And stick our Commodore 1 in. And let's take a listen. Make sure it's right around all the way. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna have a seizure. Well, that was nice, wasn't it? Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching.